Hey guys, okay, so I'm at Auntie Rachel's house because we're getting ready for Heather's bridal shower, and her house is like so beautiful and huge. So she's having the bridal shower here. Uncle Lucas is working like a slave to clean up. Hi, Uncle Lucas. So I'm gonna get started by blowing up some balloons, and we're just gonna go to town and make everything very, very pretty.
I am all I know, and it's okay. What? Flying with my soul through outer space. Master of mine and I'll make it happen. Started from scratch, now we snapping. Up on the grind while the haters lacking. Don't got no time for the petty acting. Say you won't regret, I bet you lying. Need to check, don't two-face me. Get two middle things, you can sniff it. Last my respect, never keep get it. Redemption is earned, not given. Don't take this life as a given. Taught myself, never second guess. Gunning for the best in a wild, wild west.
Look how she squat though. No, look, Kim, go ahead and do it again. Squat, squat, look at her. She is fit. Whoa, it's taller than her.
We see you, Kim. That's it. All right.
I put myself on the line and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid.
So this is what I made so far. I made this one and this one. So this one I think we're going to put up here in the archway, and then this one we're going to put on this side. Whee! Hey.
You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy, I know, baby. This window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expected too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make think of all the times you so truly happy. Do I make you feel that way? Look into my eyes, there's no use in hiding. I feel all the butterflies always on my mind. I feel like I'm floating.
Go Heather, go Heather, go Heather.
I feel like I'm floating.
Whoever wins this wins the
Are we
prize.
going rock, paper, scissors, shoot, or it's paper, rock, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And the kids are helping clean up. Thank you guys.
Lily, come here.
Hey! So it is the next day and all the decorations are still up. They survived. Except for the thing that the kids ripped down. But I realized I did not really get to talk to you guys, and I just want to say that I missed you guys so much. I will try to be more consistent with posting. I have a few videos that I want to make specifically about what happened with my son and his autism testing, because we did get the final evaluation done and I got the results. So I do want to talk to you guys about that and some other things that I said I would post. So stay tuned for that, and please be patient with me because grad school is kicking my butt. But I love to read your comments and I love to talk to you guys, so please don't give up on me. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you, latte. Bye.